SoundCloud is one of the most popular venues for individuals to discover and listen to all genres of music and songs. But what if you could get paid and make money online simply by listening to music on SoundCloud? I mean, how cool is that? It doesn't matter if you're from India, the Philippines, the United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any other country. You can still make money online every day by simply listening to music on SoundCloud, and you'll be able to receive payments of $50 or even $100 per day. You can even receive up to $256. So here's how much money you can earn from today's method. Just listening to one song will earn you $3.75. Listening to 10 songs will earn you $37. Listening to 20 songs will earn you $75, and listening to 50 songs a day will earn you a whopping $187.50. The best part is that you may do this as many times as you like. In fact, this method is completely free right now, so you don't have to spend any money to get started. We believe in just bringing you the finest of the best, and this process is absolutely unique. We're pretty confident that everyone will enjoy today's strategy, especially those who enjoy music, as it is the ideal option to begin earning money on the side while still being able to go about your daily activities. To listen to music, all you need is a phone or a computer. Now, because the process is a little bit complicated, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method and so you don't miss any essential elements. If you do miss important details, chances are you won't get the results that you want. By the way, check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. We really appreciate people that teaches other people to make money and help themselves and their families, especially in these hard times. Just check out her channel and I'll make sure that you'll learn a lot and also, of course, make money online. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end if you're interested. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online on a daily basis. So make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we release a new method so you can be the first and one of the first to try it out. Like and comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and will reach a larger audience. Before I show you anything, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Now, to finally start this amazing process, I want you to go on soundcloud.com, and basically on this website, you're able to discover up-and-coming songs and artists that you can listen to. Now, fun fact, actually Billie Eilish was discovered on this website, and I'm sure we all know who Billie Eilish is unless you've been living under a rock. A better definition is what is on their website. Connect on SoundCloud, discover, stream, and share a constantly expanding mix of music from emerging and major artists around the world. That's what SoundCloud is, and if you scroll down, you can see all of what's trending as of present in the SoundCloud community. We think that SoundCloud is actually a pretty great platform because it gives small and starting artists a lot of opportunities. SoundCloud is basically YouTube, but at least on SoundCloud, you won't be competing with millions of YouTubers who post different types of content every day. On SoundCloud, you can only create music-related content and other people would be doing the same thing, which gives artists a greater chance of succeeding in the industry. Now, this platform is completely free to sign up on, which again is such an amazing thing. You can even have this platform as an app. You can download this on your phone so it can be remotely done. This app downloads on both iOS and Android devices, so we're sure that you'll easily be able to do that. If you actually look up on the Play Store or the App Store, for us it's the Play Store, so this is what it should look like. If you were to look it up on the App Store, it would most likely look similar to this. If you can't already tell, this platform just continues to grow and there are up to 5 million reviews, which means there are probably 10 or 20 million people on this platform and it's rated to a 4.7 out of 5, which goes to show that this platform is reliable and it's recognizing artists who deserve to be recognized. Now, since we mentioned that you can do this on your phone and pretty much any type of device, let us know in the comments down below what devices you have on hand and what you plan on using for our method for today. Also, let us know if those devices are iOS or Android. We'd love to read about them. Let's continue. The next website that's included in our method today is called Azlyrics, and to get to their website, you just need to type in azlyrics.com. And this website basically has the lyrics to all the songs that you probably know of. For example, let's choose this, Adele's Easy on Me. As you can see, you're able to read through the whole song so people know what the lyrics are, and for us to earn that $3.75, we'll be listening to whatever song we would be listening to and then typing the lyrics down word for word, and that is exactly how you're gonna get paid. You're gonna be doing it word for word, and you're gonna do 3 to 4 minute tasks. It literally won't declutter for you during this much, and we even mentioned that you can earn an unlimited number of times, which means that you can earn $3.75 over and over again in only one day, and you can do this every single day. Now, the next thing that we want you to do is actually go on rev.com, and I'm sure most of you are familiar, but this platform is where you can find different job opportunities to transcribe and many more. You can do transcription, captioning, and even creating foreign subtitles, but we're here to focus on transcription. And as you can see, it says that it pays out $1.25 per minute, and songs are usually 3 minutes long, and that would equal to $3.75 per song transcription. Now scroll to the most bottom part of the page and then look under About and select Freelancers, and that should take you here. Now, Rev Freelance Jobs lets you work from anywhere, earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime, so go ahead and just sign up on this website. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying make money online, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So if we get 4,000 likes on this video, we'll launch an insane brand new video that might be even cooler than this. So comment make money online down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or phones. So let's get back to the video now. Now, a bonus website that's gonna pay you for your transcription would be gotranscript.com. This platform is something we've never actually talked about on our channel, so today is your lucky day. Basically, this website does the same as Rev. It pays to let you transcribe, so this is another great opportunity to transcribe songs. So what are you waiting for? The best advice that we can give to you is that you apply on both platforms, because the more, the merrier, which means the more platforms you're working on, really simple tasks like transcription, the more money you can earn. And these days, it's important that you know how to make do with the resources available to you. You need this, we need this, we all do, so make sure you try both websites before saying or doing anything else, and then let us know how it goes. And that's basically it. Before you go though, don't forget to also check out our friend's new YouTube channel, Next Level Finance, where she discusses affiliate marketing, making money online, and work from home opportunities. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.